Alright guys, so based on the market cycle theory that guy actually exposed, I wanted to check on how that actually affected alts as well. So after the bottom has been set and the 3-year bull market starts, I wanted to see what happened back then in June. So this is 8th of June, so kind of like it pushed all the way till July, so a month of uptrend of Bitcoin. All right, so finished on the 13th of July, kind of like 6th of July, 13th of July, the uptrend finished and Bitcoin started to pull back because it's just like what it would do kind of right here. Okay, so let's consider 6th of July is the top of Bitcoin. So let's see what alts did back then. So Kraken, this one. So I set already the cycles as well. Pretty accurate shit. So let's say 6th of July. So 6th of July, this is the 5th of August, so 4 bars behind would be kind of 6th of July, let's say, a little, yeah, it's not showing. But basically, let's see. So it seems like 4 weeks after Bitcoin did the top and started scaling back for like let's say 4 weeks or consolidating back as we saw in the other chart, that's when the alt started running. Bam. So imagine that applied to the rule that I have actually set on here, right? So basically that means if you sell Bitcoin first, now once it does the top, you have the US dollars, and then the alts start pumping, and then you have like you get even more Bitcoin that you can get out here. So you already got out of Bitcoin, which is kind of already did the top here. So it starts going back for 4 weeks Bitcoin while the alts are going up, because you can see here this is when alts actually did the peak, providing it's this exact moment, right? So this Bitcoin topped 5th of July, started consolidating for 3 weeks, which it might do now. Those 3 weeks of consolidation is where we need to get out of Bitcoin now in the next week or so, because for the next 3 weeks after Bitcoin kind of tops and consolidates, that's 6th of July. That's when the alts are going to start pumping. So basically this could be a kind of a self-justification of the theory itself and trying to look to see where it actually meets, but I feel that's what's going to happen. So 5th of July, this is 3rd of August, 4 bar behind is 5th of July. So Bitcoin, imagine Bitcoin is here now consolidating and the alts are boom. So alts are going to go and try to get to the weekly, they're going to try to get to the weekly 100-day moving average as well, 50 and 100-day moving average, just like Bitcoin did already, because Bitcoin it's coming against that. So freaking interesting, because if you look at Bitcoin still has a little bit of room to go. Actually, you don't see it very clearly, but it's the blue, that's the 50 moving average, and the purple one is the 100 moving average. The 200 one did a support. So while Bitcoin is now going to consolidate for the 2 next weeks, 3 weeks, a little bit like this, probably against this down trending line, the alts are going to start pumping. So that's kind of my theory. Let's see if it does it.